If you own a property and want to sell or rent it out, you know how time-consuming it can get. From posting on multiple sites to handling endless calls and follow-ups, the process often feels complicated and stressful. That is exactly where Real Estate Talk makes your life easier. It is a platform designed for property owners like you, who want to reach genuine buyers and tenants quickly and directly. Real Estate Talk works like social media, but it is built exclusively for the property world. You can post your property, connect with interested people, chat securely, and close deals all from one simple app. Once you list your property, it instantly becomes visible to buyers and tenants who are searching in your area. You get notified when someone likes or comments on your post, and you can reply right away. The inbuilt chat lets you talk directly to them without sharing your phone number. Since your contact details stay private, you avoid random calls and spam messages while still reaching serious prospects. The app also sends you automated alerts and updates whenever a buyer's or tenant's requirement matches your property. This means you do not have to keep checking or refreshing your post. The system works for you in the background, connecting you with the right people at the right time. Posting is simple and quick. You just add a few details like photos, location, price, and key features, and your listing goes live. You can also share updates, highlight new amenities to make your property stand out. Every interaction increases visibility, helping you reach more potential buyers or tenants without spending extra. What really makes Real Estate Talk different is that it's not just a listing site, it's a real property community. Plus, this app is free to download. You can list out your property for free, but with limited features. If you upgrade, you get more features like ad credits, pin property, and much more. Here, it's not only buyers searching for homes. Owners and sellers can also search for buyers or tenants. You can explore the community feed, where people post their requirements, ask questions, and share what they're looking for. If you see someone searching for a property like yours, you can reach out to them directly inside the app. At the same time, buyers and tenants can comment on your posts or message you when they're interested. You can also engage with professionals like architects, interior designers, and loan providers, all within the same network. Every interaction happens securely inside the app with no number sharing. If you manage multiple properties, the app makes it even easier. You can organize all your listings in one place, track messages, and manage offers without switching between calls or emails. Everything stays private, secure, and easy to handle. From the UK to India, Real Estate Talk is changing how property owners connect with buyers and tenants. It keeps conversations simple, direct, and secure, giving you full control of your property journey. There are no hidden costs, no long processes, and no surprises. So, whether you're selling your property or renting it out, do it smarter with Real Estate Talk. Join the community where real conversations lead to real results. Download Real Estate Talk today, list your property, and start connecting with the right people instantly.